Hello, it's Ajibade here, and in this video tutorial I'm going to be showing you two tricks, and in less than 1 minute we're going to be done. What's the two tricks? I'm going to be showing you how to lock all your layers at once, and also how to hide all your layers at once and unlock them at once. It's very easy. You haven't thought of it before. For example, now I have this probably this layer, and I just want to probably work on only this particular layer, but these are actually distracting me, so I want to hide all of them. So what I do is just select this, come here, tap on this, tap this, tap this, tap on everything, tap, then I select this pencil icon over here, and I just tap on hide, and I hide all. Can you see? So basically I have only this. So if I unlock this, I cannot work with this. You get? I cannot work with this. Same thing, I want to unlock, like I want to make it visible. I can just do the same thing, tap here and make everything visible. Do you get it? So that's how it works. That's how it works. Now the next thing I'm going to show you is how to lock all your layers. So I'm just going to tap here. I'm just going to lock. I'm going to, for example, now you can see that all of them are, for example, let me lock all of them. Instead of doing this, locking all of them like this, the stress. And what if you have over 50 layers? That's why you be tapping. No, you don't go through that stress. For example, I want to unlock all of them. I just come here and just do this. I'm just going to select all, so I know that I'm just going to tap here and I unlock everything. So you can see that I now have access to unlocking everything. Same thing to locking it. So I believe you learned a whole lot. Thank you for staying through to the end. See you in the next video tutorial. God bless you. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video so as to get notified. Thank you. See you next video tutorial.